really get your toes to curl on the blocks. Yeah, good. And now ground your arms. Remember, don't drag the shoulders too far away from the ears, and lift here. Lift here. Lift here. And use your legs. Use your legs. Use your legs. So the thighs go up to the ceiling, up, and you're lifting, lifting, lifting. I think this is all we're going to do today. Okay, and I wouldn't mind seeing you use your toes more. Okay. So this is going up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Easy, yofi. And then we're going to lower and release. As soon as your mid-back touches, you put your knees on the floor, so don't come down with straight legs. Okay, and when we're done, you're going to scoot this way. And you're just going to let, that's it, your arms go like this. And your legs can either be bent or straight. Okay?
So is that many blocks?
לא. תראו, למה הוא צריך כל כך הרבה blocks? Because shoulder stand, if the hamstrings are stiff, which his are, then the back rounds. And then we can't get up on our shoulders properly, and we can't get that feeling of opening the chest. And basically what we're just doing is rounding our back, and if we don't have blankets, we round the neck into the floor. So for him, מה הרגשת? מה הרגשת? So sometimes, even though I could put his feet on the floor, he's going to be like that with his back round for shanim. This way, I bet you in a month, we'll take one set of blocks out, in another month, another one, in another one, and he's going to be in a great shoulder stand position to go up. So it's just a stepping stone for him.
I have a question. If we did not use the blocks, but just the feet against the wall, it would not work?
No, it would work. But yeah, it would totally work. That's why I have you get. But he did the demonstration, so he got the benefit of the full thing. Okay, let's do it. So we're going to start with bridge pose. Have your stuff on your side.